Alright guys, so today we want to look at the easiest way on how to solve fractions, how to add fractions and how to okay, for today we'll be looking at how to add fractions. So the first thing we want to look at here is the denominator of the two fractions. We have 3 and 4. And now the big question now is which number would suit these two fractions easily? And the answer to that should be 12. So since 12 is the ideal number for this, so what we'll do is we would, for this first one, we will multiply here by 4 to be 12, and we'll do the same thing for the numerator as well. So which means for this first one, we'll multiply first in here, we'll multiply by 4, and we'll also do multiply this as well by 4. And then we'll also go to the next one. Remember, we want to make it, the goal was to make denominator 12. So, but we cannot just multiply the denominator without multiplying the numerator. So we have to do it to both of them. So, and that's why we would also multiply here, would multiply by 3, and then we'd also do the same for 1. We'll multiply by 3. So now, which means we'll now have 4 times 1 should give us 4, and this is divided by 4 times 3 here will give us 12, and we'll have addition. And now to the next one, we'll have 1 times 3 should give us 3, and 4 times 3 should give us 12. So now we have 12 as the denominator. Now, the next thing we need to do is keep our denominator and just add the numerator. So what we'll do is we'll keep the denominator. So it means this will be 12, and then we would add the numerator. So we'd have 4 plus 3, and 4 plus 3 should give us 7. That's for the first question. So now let's look at the second question. So let's look at the second question. So we would also do the same thing in the second question. Now in this case, we'll also look at the denominator. We have 5 and 3. So if we multiply it, we would have 15. So we would have 15. So which means for the first one, we'll have to multiply through both of them by 3. So we'll multiply the first one by 3, which is the numerator. We'll multiply by 3. We'll also do the same thing here. We'll multiply by 3. So, and then we'll go to the other one, because in this case we have 3. So we have to multiply 3 by 5 to have 15. So it means we'll multiply numerator here by 5 and do the same thing for the denominator by 5. And that would give us, for the first one now, we'll now have 3 times 2, and that will give us 6. And this will be divided by 3 times 5, of course, it should give us 15. And I have addition sign. And then for this one, we'll have 1 times 5 to give us 5, divided by 3 times 5 to give us 15. And then the next thing, since it has the same value in the denominator, all we need to do is keep 15 and add the numerator. So add the numerator, we'll have 6 plus 5, and 6 plus 5 should give us 11 as our final answer. So I want you to try out the last question, and you can drop your answer in the comment section. So don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. I'll see you in the next one.